Hello and welcome to our guide on Christmas decoration for offices or workspaces. In this video, you'll see a sequence of generic, everyday office scenes transformed with simple, tasteful holiday decor. The goal is to create a warm, inviting atmosphere that boosts morale and teamwork without clutter or distraction. So grab a coffee, settle in, and imagine these ideas in your own space. Whether you're in a small startup, a mid-size corporate office, or a busy shared workspace, these concepts are easy to adapt and scalable to any area. First, let's talk about the foundation, lighting and a calm color palette. In many photos you'll notice soft white fairy lights winding around shelves, a gentle glow from LED strips behind a monitor, and a few warm-toned lamps that add coziness without glare. The idea is to create a gentle halo of light that makes people feel welcomed as they move through common areas, while keeping glare off screens and whiteboards. When you place lights, think about safety first. Tuck cords away, use outdoor-rated or indoor-safe options, and avoid overloading outlets. The goal is ambiance, not a juggling act with extension cords. Next, color is a subtle storyteller. In some pictures you'll see a traditional red and green scheme with pine accents, along with metallic gold or silver touches for a festive gleam. In others, you'll notice a minimalist winter palette, creams, ivory, forest greens, and touches of brass. The beauty of color is versatility. You can align it with your brand by incorporating accent tones that already exist in logos or interior design. For a quick win, start with a single color anchor, say, pine green, and add metallics or natural textures to keep things lively without overwhelming the space. Now, let's look at desk and workstation decor. A small potted Christmas tree sits proudly on a reception desk. A miniature evergreen is perched on a coworker's desk with a few tasteful baubles. In these images, you'll also see desk ornaments like tiny figurines, pine cones, or glass bowls filled with candy canes or ornaments. The trick is scale and visibility. Keep decorations low enough not to intrude on keyboards or paperwork, and choose safe, lightweight pieces that won't topple easily. A single, well-placed piece can transform a desk into a focal point, especially if it reflects a thoughtful gesture, like a handwritten note or a reusable ornament with a colleague's name on it. Moving through common areas, you'll notice garlands framing doorways, photo walls, or the edge of a conference room. A tasteful wreath on a door or a garland along a reception counter adds holiday spirit without shouting. In kitchens and break rooms you'll see candy jars, neatly arranged mugs with festive sleeves, and touch points like a chalkboard sign that reads a cheerful welcome. The key in these spaces is balance. Avoid clutter, keep pathways clear, and ensure that materials near food are easy to clean. What about wall decor and signage? A few photos show seasonal prints or DIY paper snowflakes pinned to a corkboard or a hallway poster celebrating teamwork and kindness. Wall decor should feel ephemeral yet intentional. Use removable hooks, lightweight frames, and statements that can be switched out after the season. If you have a community wall, invite colleagues to contribute a small ornament or a kindness note to maintain engagement without creating a mess. Let's talk about greenery and natural elements. Real pine branches can smell wonderful, but they require care. Many offices opt for eucalyptus stems, pine sprigs, or faux greenery that remains fresh-looking longer and reduces allergen exposure. A simple centerpiece, a vase with branches, a sprig of pine, or a cluster of pine cones gathered from local sources, can tie the whole look together. Consider adding a touch of texture with burlap ribbons, wooden elements, or ceramic vases to give an organic feel without overpowering the room. Budget and DIY ideas are always welcome. The most impactful decorations don't have to break the bank. In several photos you'll see DIY paper snowflakes hung from ceilings or on glass, DIY wreaths crafted from recyclable materials, and jars repurposed as lanterns with battery-operated string lights. A single can of spray paint can transform an old lantern or metal container into a fresh centerpiece. Reuse ribbon scraps from past celebrations to tie this year's look together. For a sustainable twist, collect fallen branches from a safe outdoor area and create small clusters that can be distributed around desks and shelves. Safety and inclusivity should be part of every plan. Some coworkers may be sensitive to strong scents or candles, so LEDs and battery-operated candles are a wise choice in any shared space. If you're using lights, choose low heat options and avoid leaving anything flammable near outlets or heat sources. Keep walkways clear and avoid blocking emergency exits with tall displays. And remember cultural and personal inclusivity. Offer a variety of decor options, from sparkling metallics to cozy winter motifs, so everyone can feel represented and comfortable. A big perk of office decorating is team involvement. You can run a lightweight decorating challenge where teams submit a small concept and a photo, then vote to determine a festive corner of the office. This creates engagement, gives people ownership, and spreads the workload across departments. For larger teams, rotate responsibility so different areas get refreshed throughout December. If you have a remote workforce, consider sending a small decor kit, mini trees, ornaments, LED lights, and a simple how-to guide, so remote teammates can participate and share photos of their own spaces. Now, a practical way to approach a decorating project: a 60-minute setup plan. Step 1. Clear and clean. Make sure surfaces are free of clutter so new decorations can sit confidently. Step 2. Lights first. Put up warm, diffused lighting around key areas, reception, a conference table backdrop, and a few desk edges. Step 3. Centerpieces and greenery. Place a few focal pieces on prominent desks, the break room table, and the reception counter. Step 4. Wall and signage. Add removable wall art or seasonal prints and a small chalkboard or digital message on rotation. Step 5. Final touches. Add ribbons, pine cones, and a few ornaments to tie the look together. Step 6. Safety check. Ensure cables are tucked, outlets are not overloaded, and pathways are clear. If you're doing this with colleagues, assign roles to speed up the process and ensure every area gets a touch of holiday spirit. As you watch, imagine the photos transforming in your own space. Consider how to adapt each idea to a different room size: a compact desk setup, an open plan floor, a reception lobby, or a corporate conference zone. Think about routines you can integrate into daily work life. A 12 days of decor countdown, a weekly decorating theme, or a rotating art wall that changes with the season. The goal is a coherent, welcoming environment that supports productivity and morale rather than competing with tasks at hand. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: decoration is most effective when it reflects a shared culture and shared effort. Small touches can mean a lot: an inviting desk setup, a friendly note, a simple wreath on a door, as long as they are practical and respectful to everyone who shares the space. And don't forget to capture photos of the finished look for your intranet, newsletter, or social channels. A well-shot gallery shows your team's spirit and helps sustain the festive mood through the season. If you enjoy these ideas, please like the video, subscribe for more workspace tips, and leave a comment with your favorite decor idea or a photo of your own office transformation. We love hearing from you and learning what works in different environments. And if you want more, tell us your space size and budget in the comments, and we'll tailor ideas to fit your needs. Thank you for watching and happy decorating, whatever your office or workspace looks like this holiday season.